Hello everybody, back at with another video with Fred Fishing Bass. Today we're going to be fishing in the spring, and this is what I'm going to be throwing today. Black buzzbait. It's beautiful weather outside today for fishing. Hoping to catch something today for you guys. We're going to be switching up the baits a little bit. I got a couple spinners also that we can throw. There are a lot of algae blooms in here. It's ridiculous. That's why I'm using topwater baits. Spinners are just going to get too much seaweed and algae on them. But I'm going to throw a couple of spinners today though. Just for the heck of it. So they're probably going to be better than a buzzbait. I haven't caught any bass at this pond yet, only bluegill so far. But the other pond that I fished at, I caught one bass so far, and that was the first bass of the new year. They haven't really been biting lately because of just the crazy weather that we've been having. We've had like cold weather and then hot weather and then cold weather again. It's ridiculous. And hopefully it stays nice like this, because then the fish will start really biting. See, look at all this algae and seaweed up in it. It's crazy how much there is. It's to the point where it's ridiculous. Beautiful day out. Time to switch up the old bait. Got a little bit of a waterproof tackle box here. Doesn't have to be waterproof. I just want it to be small. And all my baits are all together. All my organizing went to waste. That's what I'm throwing. Show you in a second. I'm gonna hook it up. We're gonna get this bait onto this bait in 3, 2, 1. Boom! We got the bait back on. Got the new bait on there. Booyah buzzbait. Not a buzzbait, sorry. Booyah spinner. Now this is what we're gonna throw. Sorry for the wind. It's a little windy out today. That's what makes sometimes that's what makes a nice day bad. But the beautiful weather still is nice. Oh my God, did you guys just see that? Holy crap. if I can only get that on. That was crazy. That bass was about to kill it. Whew. I've never seen that in my 1 year of fishing. Well, actually, I can't say that because I just did. Maybe I'll get that bass on. Who knows? Well, that's already starting off. Even though he didn't catch it, that's already starting off pretty good. At least we know that they want to eat something. Sorry about the wind once again. Picked a pretty bad day to film, but we'll work with it. Cast over here, maybe swam over here somewhere. Cover some water. Nothing seems to be biting anymore. That one bass was just really hangry for this bait. We'll find another one that's really wanting something to eat. The only problem with fishing right here is the wind's blowing against it, so you can't cast super far. But I guess you get your bait out there, that's all that matters. There's too much seaweed over here, algae over here. I'm getting on every time. I'm just gonna skip all of this right here. I'm gonna go kind of across this fountain a little bit. And right here is gonna be good. Just ran into a bunch of algae. Once again. They haven't come to treat the pond yet, which sucks because I guess it's a tad bit too soon, but they should come out here any time, honestly. But get rid of all this crap. But you know, it does make some good cover for these fish from birds hunting them. Geese normally don't catch fish. They can, little smaller fish, but they're like blue herons and all that stuff come here sometimes, and they like to hunt them. They've actually drug a big bass into those woods over there. I found it once and it was all like destroyed. Either that or an animal got it, which I doubt an animal would have gotten it because the birds always hunt in the water, so I assume the bird got it. But it's just better to have this algae and seaweed out of the pond than in it. It's hard to fish with it, as you can see. I'm gonna switch up the bait. There's a bunch of geese poop over here. What do you know? And they are fighting. Look at that. In the meantime, while I was doing all that, all those geese over there were getting the big fights. It was kind of funny. Oh, there we go. That, I almost just completely swung from the planet Earth to everywhere else. Anyways, this is a really small one. That's funny. This is probably from last year. He was probably born last year. That's hilarious. Now, I don't even think he's a pound. I kind of yanked him in. I kind of feel bad. That's the first bass of the day. You know, I wish it was a little bit bigger, but that's alright. At least we got a fish over here. Toss him back. He was an aggressive little bugger. I thought he was a little bit big. That's why I kind of yanked a little bit harder, but that was funny. Cast in the same spot, maybe his mommy and daddy followed him back. That'd be sad if I caught him again. Some fish I've caught in here twice in the same day is hilarious. Just how stupid they can be sometimes. Got a little bit of seaweed now. Oh, ran in my face there. I wish today was not windy. Sorry for the audio. Once again, wish the wind could just be nice to me sometimes, you know. Maybe I angered the wind. Cover up the wind a little bit there for you. Probably didn't help at all. Maybe this side's good luck. I've had the most luck over here since. Well, start of today at least I caught one. That's all that matters. I did have technically, I had one that chased this on the other side. That's good. That's what it's called. Come on, baby. Alright, well that was pretty much the last cast for the video. Sucks only caught one. Well, you know, one's one. That's all that matters. So, that's going to be the end of the video for today, guys. Please comment down below what I could be better at, you know, at filming, anything, really, honestly. And, these videos will get better, catch more bass in them. And maybe even catfish, bluegill, anything, honestly. But, please go down, like and subscribe.